I love the voice because you see, it's literally the most authentic, organic, and original thing about each and every one of us. As my voice is different than your voice, is different than anybody else's voice anywhere around the world. Hi, my name's Danny of Local Masters, and in this short little 5 to 10 minute video, we're going to talk a little bit about accent reduction, what that actually looks like, and how we can work to diminish the accent, not to change your voice, but to diminish the barrier that it might cause if you're working in sales every day on the phone and your accent's getting in the way of communicating to people on the other end. If you're doing presentations or you're in a space where people really want to not only hear what you're saying, but feel what you're saying. So we're going to dive into what are some things, skills, tools that we can use to actually diminish the barrier to being understood through the idea of accent reduction. Welcome back to this intro on accent reduction. Now, within the accent reduction course, we're going to focus on a number of different things, but what we want to show right now is one of the areas that we will focus on, which is some of the challenges within the language that can really act as a barrier to helping you communicate through the English language in the best possible way. And we're going to lean on the incredible speakmoreclearly.com folks to show us one example of what we'll focus on.
Hi, it's Esther here from the Speak More Clearly accent reduction courses. Great to see you here. I'm going to go through 4 accent reduction tips that will make a difference to your clear English speech. Tip 1 is a tip to help you pronounce the sound more easily. Well, actually, I'm going to give you 2 tips here. First, you need to hold your tongue out between your teeth long enough. Most people who are learning the sound tend to pull the tongue back into their mouth too quickly in an effort to get to the next sound. For example, they may say think. You need to give the its full worth and let enough air out first over your tongue before you move to the next sound. So it's think, not think. Think. I think so. It's not through, it's through. Can you hear I'm leaving enough air in there? Through. Go through there.
So as you can see, within the actual work of accent reduction, there's a number of different areas all connected to the articulators, our lips, our teeth, and our tongue, that we'll dive into to help ensure that you have the best understanding of how we use those articulators through articulating things like our consonants and vowels, as a lot of the language is broken down into those pieces. So we hope that's been a little bit of an informative insight into what you'll receive through accent reduction. And we look forward to seeing you on the other side. Thank you so much.